Monday, December 8, 2025. Crisis at Indigo that has caused widespread disturbance in the passenger movement over the last 5 days. A midnight fire at a club in Goa's Arpora village set off by the fireworks that turned the burning into a death trap, claiming the lives of 25 people early Sunday morning. So only 27% WAF properties listed on Umid portal. So only 2.16 lakh WAF properties out of total of 8 lakhs have been registered on Umid portal. Data has been revealed as WAF board officials. So what is Umid? Umid is Unified WAF Management, Empowerment, Efficiency and Development. So with the objective of bringing all the WAF properties under a centralized digital database. It will ensure that the properties are managed and protected better and in a transparent manner. With the GDP growth at a high of 8.2% in the second quarter and inflation at a low of 0.25% in October, it is indeed a Goldilocks situation for the Indian economy as highlighted by the RBI governor. India-US deal uncertainty puts over $2 billion apparel orders jobs at risk. So negotiation between the Indian apparel manufacturers and US importers have stalled for summer orders worth around $2 billion. So the absence of trade deal would push the bulk summer orders to the country's competitors such as Bangladesh, Vietnam and even China, which face lower tariffs compared to the highest tariff of 50% imposed on India. Pantone, an American company that announces the color of the year every December. So for next year, they have decided the shade Cloud Dancer, which is white in color, as a choice for 2026.